One sound in one box. I. S. I. S.
I don't have enough space.
Okay, you can write here. Yes, you can add. Yes. I. S. In. I. In. Listen to the sounds. Take this eraser. Now listen to the sounds. Look at ma'am. I. Check. S. I. S. T. Very good. So that becomes insist. 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 Can we do actions for this? Let's do all of you. I. So that becomes insist. Insist. Change the color and make a rainbow. Make a rainbow. Very good. Very good. Quickly change the color and keep writing and make a rainbow. Take out the sound. What is a sound? Sound, Ayansh. Where is the sound? Very nice. Shelvin, what is the sound? Very good. You are making a great rainbow. Rainbow. Very good. So see, again we are looking at the story. What happens in the story? It was a sunny day. Yes, Shelvin? It was a sunny day, Ayansh. And then what happens? What happens? There is a sound of picture. Where are your cameras? Click, 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 click. Very good. So B said that who is it? And B said that Inky Mouse wants to click a picture. Yes, for something which has sound. Which sound? All of you together. Take out the sound. What is the sound? What is the sound? Your rainbow is amazing. Very good. The snake is in the grass.